Our universe is a vast and mysterious place. It is full of wonders that have captivated humanity for millennia. Among these celestial wonders, few are as awe-inspiring as a total lunar eclipse, more popularly known as a blood moon. Picture a clear night sky. The full moon hangs bright, bathing the world in its cool silver light. Then slowly, something begins to change. A shadow creeps across the lunar surface, swallowing the light. The moon, once brilliant, begins to darken. As the last sliver of moonlight is extinguished, the moon takes on an eerie reddish hue. It's as if the celestial body is bleeding, casting an unsettling glow upon the world. This is a blood moon, a spectacle that has inspired fear, reverence, and wonder in equal measure throughout human history. For centuries, people have interpreted this celestial event in countless ways, weaving myths and legends around its blood-red visage. Some saw it as a harbinger of doom, a sign of impending disaster. Others viewed it as a powerful omen, a symbol of change or upheaval. Today, we have a scientific understanding of this celestial phenomenon. We know that the blood moon is not a supernatural event, but a natural consequence of the interplay of light and shadow in our solar system. Yet even with this knowledge, the sight of a blood moon still retains a powerful allure. It reminds us of the vastness of the universe and the mysteries it holds. The moon doesn't possess its own light. It shines because its surface reflects sunlight. When the Earth positions itself between the sun and the moon, it casts its shadow upon the moon, resulting in a lunar eclipse. But why does the moon turn red? The answer lies in the way light interacts with our atmosphere. As sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere, it gets scattered and filtered. The shorter wavelengths are scattered away, while the longer red and orange wavelengths are refracted onto the moon. This gives the moon its characteristic blood moon appearance. This celestial dance of light and shadow is a testament to the elegant laws of physics. Eclipses, both lunar and solar, are celestial events that have fascinated humankind for centuries. They occur due to the specific alignment of the sun, Earth, and moon. A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth positions itself directly between the sun and the moon. The Earth casts its shadow on the moon as it passes between the sun and the moon. This doesn't happen every month because the moon's orbit is slightly tilted. However, a few times a year, everything lines up perfectly. When this occurs, the Earth casts its shadow on the moon, resulting in a lunar eclipse. If the entire moon passes through the Earth's umbra, we witness a total lunar eclipse, painting the moon red. Imagine standing outside on a sunny day. Your body casts a shadow on the ground. Now imagine that the sun is much larger, and you are the Earth, casting your shadow on the moon. This is what happens during a lunar eclipse. The Earth's shadow has two parts, the umbra and the penumbra. The umbra is the darkest part, directly behind the Earth. The penumbra is a lighter, outer shadow surrounding the umbra. From the penumbra, the sun is partially obscured, like a cookie with a bite taken out. To understand why the moon turns red during a total lunar eclipse, we need to delve into the world of light and its interaction with matter. Light, as we perceive it, is a mixture of different colors, each with its own wavelength. When sunlight, which contains all the colors of the rainbow, passes through a prism, it gets separated into its constituent colors, creating a beautiful spectrum. This separation of colors occurs because of a phenomenon called refraction, where light bends as it passes from one medium to another, like from air to glass in a prism. The Earth's atmosphere acts like a giant prism, bending and scattering sunlight. When sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, it collides with tiny particles of air, water vapor, and dust. This collision causes the light to scatter in different directions. Blue and green light, which have shorter wavelengths, are scattered more effectively than red and orange light, which have longer wavelengths. This scattering of shorter wavelengths is why we see a blue sky on a clear day. The blue light is scattered all over the atmosphere, making the sky appear blue to our eyes. Now let's apply this understanding of light scattering to a lunar eclipse. As the moon moves into the Earth's umbra, you might expect it to completely disappear from view, shrouded in darkness. However, something remarkable happens. Instead of disappearing, the moon takes on a reddish-orange hue, the characteristic glow of a blood moon. This transformation occurs because of the Earth's atmosphere. Even though the Earth blocks direct sunlight from reaching the moon during a total lunar eclipse, some sunlight still manages to reach the lunar surface indirectly. This indirect path takes the sunlight on a journey through the Earth's atmosphere. As sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere, the shorter wavelengths of light, blue and green, are scattered away, just like on a sunny day. However, the longer wavelengths of light, red and orange, are less efficiently scattered. These reddish hues are bent or refracted around the Earth's curvature and continue traveling toward the moon. This filtered light, now dominated by the warmer end of the spectrum, bathes the moon in a reddish-orange glow, creating the captivating spectacle of a blood moon. The intensity of the red color can vary depending on atmospheric conditions. Factors like dust, volcanic ash, and water vapor in the atmosphere can influence the amount of scattering and refraction, resulting in blood moons that range from a coppery orange to a deep blood red. The redness of a blood moon is, therefore, a testament to the filtering power of our planet's atmosphere. The next time you witness a total lunar eclipse, take a moment to appreciate the intricate interplay of celestial mechanics and atmospheric optics that creates this awe-inspiring event. Remember that the blood moon's eerie glow is not a supernatural omen, but a natural consequence of the way light interacts with our planet. It's a reminder of the beauty and wonder inherent in the laws of physics that govern our universe. The blood moon has tangible effects on our planet. It influences tides. Tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. The moon's gravitational force is the primary driver of tides. During full and new moons, their forces combine to create spring tides. A blood moon's effect on tides is not significantly different from any other full moon. The alignment for an eclipse doesn't amplify tidal forces. Beyond tides, the moon's cycle, including the occurrence of blood moons, has been linked to various biological rhythms in organisms on Earth. Many species, particularly marine life, have evolved to synchronize their reproductive cycles, feeding patterns, and other behaviors with the lunar cycle. Coral reefs, for example, often release their eggs and sperm into the water during specific phases of the moon, maximizing their chances of successful fertilization. Some studies suggest that certain animals exhibit altered behavior around the time of a full moon, including blood moons. For instance, some nocturnal animals might reduce their activity due to the increased brightness of a full moon, while others might become more active, taking advantage of the light for hunting or foraging. However, concrete scientific evidence linking blood moons specifically to significant behavioral changes in animals is limited. The influence of blood moons on human behavior is even more speculative and often rooted in folklore and superstition rather than scientific evidence. Some people believe that blood moons can disrupt sleep patterns, increase anxiety, or even trigger more aggressive behavior. While the moon's cycle undoubtedly influences life on Earth in numerous ways, attributing specific behavioral changes to the occurrence of a blood moon requires more rigorous scientific investigation. Throughout history, eclipses, including blood moons, have provided valuable opportunities for scientific observation and discovery. Ancient astronomers meticulously recorded eclipse timings and patterns, using these observations to refine their understanding of the cosmos. By observing the moon's path through the Earth's shadow, ancient astronomers could deduce the relative sizes and distances of the Earth, moon, and sun, long before the advent of modern telescopes. Today, scientists continue to study eclipses to gain further insights into our solar system and the universe beyond. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon acts as a giant mirror, reflecting sunlight that has passed through Earth's atmosphere. By analyzing the spectrum of this filtered light, scientists can learn about the composition of Earth's atmosphere, including the presence of trace gases and pollutants. Furthermore, observations of lunar eclipses have helped scientists refine their models of the Earth's shape and gravitational field. By carefully measuring the duration and path of the moon's passage through the Earth's shadow, scientists can detect subtle variations in Earth's gravitational pull, providing clues about the distribution of mass within our planet. Lunar eclipses also offer a unique opportunity to study the moon itself. As the moon transitions into and out of Earth's shadow, its surface temperature undergoes rapid changes. Scientists can monitor these temperature fluctuations using infrared telescopes, gaining insights into the composition and thermal properties of the lunar surface. These observations help scientists map the distribution of different minerals and rock types on the moon, providing valuable information for understanding the moon's geological history and evolution. Moreover, lunar eclipses allow scientists to study the moon's thin, tenuous atmosphere, known as an exosphere. As sunlight is temporarily blocked during a lunar eclipse, the faint glow of the lunar exosphere becomes easier to observe. Scientists can analyze the light emitted and absorbed by the exosphere to identify its constituents, such as helium, argon, and sodium, providing clues about the processes that shape the moon's environment. The blood moon, once a source of fear and superstition, has evolved into a valuable tool for scientific exploration. From refining our understanding of celestial mechanics to probing the mysteries of the lunar surface and atmosphere, blood moons continue to offer unique opportunities for scientific discovery. As we continue to explore our solar system and beyond, these celestial events serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our universe and the importance of scientific inquiry in unraveling its secrets. The blood moon, a celestial spectacle as old as time itself, has captivated human imagination since the dawn of our species. Long before the advent of telescopes and scientific inquiry, our ancestors looked up at the night sky, weaving intricate myths and legends around the celestial tapestry above. The blood moon, with its eerie reddish glow, held a particularly potent sway over the human psyche, inspiring both awe and trepidation. In many ancient cultures, the blood moon was seen as a harbinger of change, often associated with upheaval, chaos, or even the end of the world. These interpretations likely stemmed from the blood moon's striking appearance, its departure from the familiar silvery glow of the regular moon, which instilled a sense of unease and foreboding. The color red, often linked to blood, sacrifice, and danger, further amplified these beliefs. For example, in ancient Mesopotamia, the blood moon was believed to be a sign that the king was in danger. Royal astronomers would meticulously track the movements of the celestial bodies, interpreting any unusual events as omens from the gods. A blood moon was seen as a particularly dire warning, prompting elaborate rituals and sacrifices to appease the gods and avert disaster. Similar beliefs persisted across various ancient civilizations. The ancient Greeks, renowned for their mythology and storytelling, viewed the blood moon as a sign of the gods' displeasure. They associated the celestial event with the wrath of the goddess Hecate, who ruled over magic, witchcraft, and the underworld. Hecate was often depicted with 3 heads, representing the phases of the moon, and her appearance was said to bring misfortune and ill omens. In ancient China, the blood moon was often interpreted as a symbol of imbalance in the cosmos, a disruption of the natural order. The Chinese believed in a concept called yin and yang, representing opposing but complementary forces in the universe. The blood moon, with its dramatic shift in appearance, was seen as a manifestation of an imbalance between these forces, potentially leading to chaos and disorder. These ancient interpretations of the blood moon, while rooted in superstition and a limited understanding of celestial mechanics, highlight the profound influence of the cosmos on human culture and belief systems. The blood moon served as a blank canvas upon which different cultures projected their fears, hopes, and anxieties about the world around them. As scientific knowledge progressed and the understanding of celestial phenomena advanced, the superstitious interpretations of the blood moon began to wane. The development of the telescope in the 17th century revolutionized astronomy, allowing scientists to study celestial objects in unprecedented detail. Astronomers like Galileo Galilei and Johannes Kepler made groundbreaking observations that challenged long-held beliefs about the cosmos. Galileo's observations of the moon's craters and mountains, for example, shattered the Aristotelian view of the celestial spheres as perfect and unchanging, paving the way for a more nuanced understanding of the universe. Kepler's laws of planetary motion provided a mathematical framework for describing the movements of celestial bodies, further demystifying the cosmos. With these advancements in scientific understanding, the blood moon gradually lost its status as a harbinger of doom and became recognized as a natural phenomenon, a consequence of the interplay of light and shadow in the solar system. The Age of Reason, with its emphasis on logic, empiricism, and scientific inquiry, challenged the superstitious interpretations of the blood moon, replacing them with a more rational and evidence-based understanding. Despite the advances in scientific knowledge, the blood moon has not completely shed its mystical allure. Even in the 21st century, various beliefs and superstitions surrounding blood moons persist, often intertwined with astrological interpretations, religious prophecies, and New Age spirituality. Astrology, for instance, attributes significant meaning to the positions and movements of celestial bodies, including the moon, believing that they influence human affairs and personality traits. In astrological circles, blood moons are often seen as periods of heightened energy, transformation, and emotional intensity. Some astrologers believe that blood moons can trigger significant life changes, accelerate personal growth, or bring hidden truths to light. While these interpretations lack scientific evidence, they resonate with those seeking meaning and guidance from the cosmos. Similarly, some religious groups interpret blood moons through the lens of prophecy, associating them with biblical passages or end-time scenarios. These interpretations often draw upon ancient texts and prophecies that mention celestial events as signs of divine intervention or impending judgment. The blood moon, therefore, occupies a fascinating space between scientific understanding and cultural interpretation. While science has demystified the celestial mechanics behind this phenomenon, its symbolic power and cultural resonance endure. The blood moon continues to captivate our imagination, reminding us of the vastness of the cosmos and the enduring human quest to make sense of our place within it. In the next section, we'll delve into the realm of speculation and explore the intriguing, albeit unfounded, rumors of an alien race associated with the moon. The blood moon, with its captivating crimson hue, has served as a canvas for countless stories, myths, and legends throughout human history. But perhaps no tales surrounding this celestial event are as intriguing and as persistently unconfirmed as those whispering of an alien presence linked to the moon. These narratives, often relegated to the fringes of scientific thought, weave a tapestry of speculation, conjecture, and a yearning for the extraordinary. From hushed whispers of ancient astronaut theorists to grainy images of supposed lunar structures circulating the internet, the notion that we are not alone in the universe finds fertile ground in the shadows of the moon. Proponents of these theories point to unexplained phenomena, such as unusual lunar features captured in photographs, inconsistencies in lunar data, and the sheer vastness of the universe as evidence to support their claims. These claims, however, often crumble under the weight of scientific scrutiny. The vast majority of these so-called anomalies can be explained by natural phenomena, pareidolia, the human tendency to see familiar patterns in random data, or simply hoaxes designed to fuel speculation and conspiracy. Yet the allure of the unknown persists, fueled by a human desire to find meaning and connection in the vastness of the cosmos. One of the most common pieces of evidence presented by proponents of lunar alien theories involves photographs of the moon's surface. These images, often grainy and taken with amateur equipment, purportedly show unnatural structures, geometric shapes, or lights that defy conventional explanation. Some point to these anomalies as evidence of alien bases, mining operations, or even entire cities hidden beneath the lunar surface. Fueling these claims are blurry images of shadows cast by lunar mountains and craters, misinterpreted as artificial structures. Others highlight the existence of transient lunar phenomena, such as brief flashes of light or changes in reflectivity, attributing them to alien activity rather than natural occurrences like meteorite impacts or outgassing. While these images and phenomena can spark curiosity and imagination, they lack the rigorous scientific evidence required to support claims of extraterrestrial origin. Scientists, armed with high-resolution images from lunar orbiters and decades of data collected from lunar missions, have consistently debunked these claims. The so-called structures often turn out to be natural geological formations, tricks of light and shadow, or artifacts of image compression and enhancement. It's important to approach such extraordinary claims with a healthy dose of skepticism, grounded in scientific principles and critical thinking. The burden of proof lies on those making the claims, and extraordinary claims, as Carl Sagan famously stated, require extraordinary evidence. To date, no credible evidence of alien artifacts, structures, or activity on the moon has withstood scientific scrutiny. Absence of evidence, however, is not evidence of absence. The universe is vast, and our exploration of it is still in its infancy. While the existence of an alien race inhabiting the moon remains highly unlikely based on current scientific understanding, it's not impossible. The pursuit of knowledge requires us to keep an open mind, to question, to explore, and to be open to the possibility that our current understanding of the universe may be incomplete. This openness, however, should not be mistaken for gullibility. It's crucial to distinguish between healthy skepticism and outright dismissal. Scientific inquiry thrives on questioning established knowledge, exploring new possibilities, and rigorously testing hypotheses. While the notion of an alien race associated with the blood moon might capture our imaginations, it's essential to ground our understanding in scientific evidence and critical thinking. The moon, once a symbol of the unknown, has been extensively studied and explored, revealing a celestial body shaped by natural processes over billions of years. The absence of conclusive evidence for extraterrestrial life on the moon, however, should not dampen our enthusiasm for exploration and discovery. The universe is vast, filled with countless wonders yet to be unveiled. As we continue to explore our solar system and beyond, we must remain open to the possibility, however remote, that we might one day encounter evidence of life beyond Earth. The blood moon, with its captivating beauty and enduring mysteries, serves as a potent reminder of the power of scientific inquiry to illuminate the unknown and to inspire future generations to continue our quest to understand our place in the cosmos. The blood moon, a celestial phenomenon capable of inspiring awe and fear in equal measure, stands as a testament to humanity's enduring fascination with the cosmos. From ancient civilizations that interpreted its crimson glow as a harbinger of doom to modern-day astronomers who decipher its secrets through the lens of scientific inquiry, the blood moon has woven itself into the tapestry of human understanding and imagination. We've journeyed together through the scientific principles that govern this celestial event, unraveling the mystery of its reddish hue. We've seen how the Earth, positioned between the sun and the moon, casts its shadow upon our lunar neighbor, transforming it into a celestial ruby. The scattering of sunlight through Earth's atmosphere, stripping away the blues and greens while allowing the reds and oranges to bathe the lunar surface, paints a picture of elegant simplicity amidst the vast cosmic ballet. But the blood moon is more than just a spectacle of light and shadow. It's a symbol of humanity's evolving relationship with the cosmos, a mirror reflecting our fears, aspirations, and the never-ending quest to comprehend our place in the universe. As we've explored the blood moon's cultural and religious significance, we've encountered a tapestry of interpretations woven through the loom of human history. Ancient civilizations, lacking the tools of modern science, sought explanations for this celestial anomaly in the realm of mythology and superstition. Gods were angered, demons were unleashed, and the fate of humanity hung precariously in the cosmic balance. Yet, with the rise of scientific inquiry, the fog of superstition began to dissipate, replaced by a clearer understanding of the natural world. The blood moon, once a harbinger of chaos, became a testament to the elegant laws of physics that govern our universe. But even as we unravel the scientific principles behind this celestial event, a sense of wonder persists. The blood moon reminds us that we are part of something far grander than ourselves, a cosmic dance of celestial bodies moving in intricate patterns across unimaginable distances. It invites us to look up from our earthly concerns and contemplate the vastness of the universe and the mysteries it holds. While we've journeyed far in our exploration of the blood moon, our quest is far from over. Each eclipse, a fleeting celestial ballet, offers new opportunities for scientific discovery. Astronomers continue to study these events, refining their understanding of lunar topography, Earth's atmosphere, and the delicate gravitational dance between celestial bodies. And as we push the boundaries of knowledge, venturing further into the cosmos with each passing year, who knows what wonders await us? Perhaps in some distant corner of the universe, another civilization gazes up at their own blood moon, pondering the same existential questions that have captivated humanity for millennia. The blood moon, a celestial tapestry woven from science, mythology, and human imagination, reminds us that the universe is a story without end, a never-ending saga of discovery and wonder. So the next time you find yourself beneath a sky adorned with a blood moon, take a moment to appreciate its beauty, to contemplate its mysteries, and to let your imagination soar among the stars. Remember the journey we've taken together, from ancient myths to scientific understanding, and allow yourself to be captivated by the celestial dance unfolding above. Keep looking up, keep questioning, and never lose your sense of wonder. The universe, with all its beauty and mystery,